So artificial intelligent applications. In this first, AI will be used in e-commerce. So in e-commerce, AI will be used as personalized shopping. In personalized shopping, AI is used. AI technology is used to create recommendation engines through which you can engage better with your customers. These recommendations are made in accordance with the browsing history, preferences, and interest. Okay. So based on browsing history, references and interests, the recommendation engines will be working and it will give you the recommendations, yes or no. So it is helps in improving your relationship with your customer and their loyalty towards your brands. And AI is also used in power assistance. For example, virtual shopping assistants and chatbots. These are the two things where AI is used. So it will help to improve the user experience while shopping online. So these missions, that is virtual shopping assistants and chatbots, users natural language processing to make the conversations as human. Like human, it will make the conversations. Okay. So these assistants can have real-time engagement with the customers. And AI is also used in fraud prevention. So usually we can see in e-commerce we'll be having credit card frauds and fake reviews are the two most issues in e-commerce. Yes or no? So here by considering usage pattern, AI can help reduce the possibility of credit card frauds taking place. And many customers, when they are buying the products, they will depend on reviews. Okay, so that is why, so the fraud reviews should be identified and it should be handled properly. So AI can help in identifying and handling the fake reviews. So these are the uh, three users of AI in e-commerce. What are the three users here? In personalized shopping, AI will be used. In AI-powered assistance, also AI technologies are used, and fraud prevention also AI will be used in the case of e-commerce. And AI is used in navigations. So based on research from MIT, it is proved that GPS technology can provide users with the accurate timely and detailed information to improve the safety. Okay, so this GPS technology usually uses convolutional neural network and graphical neural networks. These two technologies will be used in GPS technology so that it will give the complete information about the roads, how will be the road types, okay, and abstractions on the road. Every information about the road it will be provided. So AI is heavily used by the Uber, Ola, and many logistic companies to improve the operational efficiency. And it is mainly used to analyze the road traffic and optimize the routes. Okay, so it is used by so many companies. So this is one of the application of AI. And AI is also used in robotics. So usually robotics powered by AI uses real-time updates to sense the obstacles in its path and pre-plan its journey instantly. Okay, so it can be used for carrying goods in hospitals, factories, and warehouses. So now you can see during COVID time, the robotics are used in many hospitals to serve the COVID patients. Yes or no? So like that, carrying goods in hospital, factories, warehouses, robotics are used. And for cleaning offices, large equipments, and inventory management, also AI will be used. And AI is also used in human resources. So actually, when hiring for the job, okay, we more number of applications will be received by the companies or no. So for screening those resumes, AI will be used. Okay, so see here, AI driver systems can scan job candidate profiles and resumes to provide recruiters an understanding of talent pool they must choose from. And AI is also used in healthcare. Okay, so AI is used in healthcare to build sophisticated machines that can detect the diseases and identify the cancer cells. AI can help analyze the chronic conditions with the lab and other medical data to ensure the early diagnosis. The early diagnosis is very important because if the disease is identified early, what happens? It will not lead to the death. Otherwise, it will lead to the death. So early diagnosis is very important. So that can be done by AI. So AI uses the combination of historical data and medical intelligence. So these two, historical data and medical intelligence, are combined for discovery of new drugs. Using AI, new drugs can also be um, discovered. And AI is used in agriculture. Okay, so artificial intelligence is used to identify the defects, nutrition deficiency in the soil. Okay, this is done using computer vision, robotics, machine learning. AI can analyze where weeds are growing. Okay, so like this, AI is used. AI bots can help to harvest the crops at higher volume, faster phase than human labors. Okay, so that is why if you want to harvest for higher volume and in faster phase, AI will be used compared to human. AI is also using in gaming. So it is found more advantages in gaming sector because AI uses the creative, smart, human-like NPCs to interact with the players. So it can also be used to predict the human behavior, using which game design testing can be improved. So like that, AI can be used in gaming. AI is also used in automobiles. So we know that AI is used in self-driving cars, yes or no? So AI can be used along with the vehicle camera, radar, cloud services, GPS, control signals to operate the vehicles. So all this should be combined with AI, then only we can have self-driving cars. Otherwise, we cannot have the self-driving cars. That is, it should have vehicle cameras to monitor the road conditions, surrounding conditions of the vehicle, and radar, cloud services to store its data, GPS technology to have the clear idea about the road conditions and the path. Okay, and it should have control signals to operate the vehicles. So with this, if AI is used along with this, then only self-controlling vehicle is possible. AI can improve in-vehicle experience and provide additional systems like emergency braking is possible with AI, blind spot monitoring, and driver assistance steering. All these are possible with AI. Okay, and AI is used in social media. So it is also used in social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like that. Okay. Now we'll see how AI is used in social media. In Instagram, AI considers your likes and counts your follows to determine what post you are shown on your explored data. Okay. And in Facebook, AI is used along with a tool called Deep Text. With this tool, Facebook can understand conversations. So Facebook uses Deep Text. It is a tool, AI tool. Okay. So with this tool, the Facebook can understand the conversations better. So AI, it can be, because of this tool, it can be used to translate the post from different languages automatically. Okay, and AI is also used in Twitter. So AI is used by Twitter for fraud detection and removing propagandas and hateful contents. AI is used. Okay, and Twitter also uses AI to recommend tweets that our users might enjoy, and based on what type of tweets they engage with. And AI is also used in marketing. So using AI, marketers can deliver highly targeted and personalized ads with the help of behavior analysis, pattern recognition, etc. Okay, so we using AI, marketers can deliver highly targeted and personalized ads with the help of behavior analysis, pattern recognition, etc. Okay. AI can help with the content marketing in a way that matches the brand styles and voice. Okay. So like that, AI can also be used. And using chatbots powered by, usually in marketing, chatbots are used, no? So the chatbots are powered by AI, that is natural language processing, natural language generation, and natural language understanding. Can analyze the user's language and respond in the way humans do. Okay, so like that, using chatbots. Chatbots are also used in marketing. AI can provide users with the real-time personalizations based on their behavior and can be used to edit and optimize the marketing campaigns to fit a local market needs. Okay, so using AI, we can obtain the marketing campaigns that fit the local market needs. So these are the applications of AI. So yeah, here we have discussed the 10 applications of AI. The first one is AI is used in e-commerce. That is our first application. And in the second application is AI is used in navigation. And the third one is AI in robotics. And the fourth one is AI in human resources. And AI is used in healthcare. And AI is also used in agriculture. AI is used in gaming, and AI is used in automobiles, AI is used in social media, and it is also used in marketing. Okay, these are the 10 applications of AI. So it is not limited to 10 applications. We have more also. Okay.